Car. Gas station. Anybody show up, or I might have to leave this part and go to work, cause everybody be at the street racing and thing and stuff. So yeah, so we go. Get ready, y'all, when I get to I made it here. Now let's do one quick race, but with my fastest car. I got 2 million, so I might, when I get back to 3 or 4 million, I will buy a new car. I'm going in. Y'all trying to flex or something? Hello, y'all trying to flex? I don't really want to flex. I got that yeah, I'm finna pull out that car right there. I'm finna pull out my red eye demon, I think. Ain't that what it called? My phone, I'm scrolling up. Oops, crash. Comment down below and what other video y'all want me to do next. I'm gonna give 10 people a shout out. No, I'm gonna give 5 people a shout out. So 5 people that comment down below gets a shout out in every single one of my videos. Vroom, 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 vroom. Look, I'm gonna buy a house. I wish I had premium and VIP and stuff, but I don't have it. Too bad. A house tour, a little house tour. So right here is the kitchen. Yeah, ain't that special about that. Right here is a guest bedroom, and then over here is another bedroom, probably my bedroom, but you gonna see. Then right here is a bathroom. Nothing special about that. Then right here is another bedroom. I know this might be a girl, like a girl room. And upstairs we have the living room. And right here we have a balcony right there. Then next we have right here is the master bathroom. And right here we have the master bedroom. So this reminds all the other rooms is guest rooms. So I'm gonna show y'all backyard. Yeah, this the backyard, a big old backyard. Let me spawn my car. I'm gonna spawn that car right there. No, I'm not finna spawn no car. Ooh, red GT. Let's see. So yeah. I'll do one race before I end this video. Three laps. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when the race start. Race start. 3, 2, 1, go. I only have one problem with this. I be flying out the track. But I like they new update. It's alright. But I want that new Bugatti they got. That more pressure. That more busting. Already on second round and it just started. That was just 42 seconds ago. 45 now. Well, yeah. I'm ready for the last round, so I get up out this race. See, that's the problem. I need to be using my slow car so it could get. See, that's the part I hate. Flying out the track. Exactly the part I hate. I don't care, but I'm still with money. Yes, sir, ski. Do y'all like my friend GT? Is it fun? I hope I ain't failed off. Nah. I gotta get there for 3 minutes. I'm trying to get there for 3 minutes, y'all. Usually 3 minutes because I crashed, then I spun my car. Then I fell off the racetrack. Yeah, so, but I ain't worried about it because I got 13,500. So my best luck was 39 seconds. Total time 2 minutes 18.8 seconds. And reward $13,500. Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.